Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend wealth building strategy during high interest rates. First, it is important to understand that high interest rates can create short-term challenges for dividend investors, but they can also create opportunities when handled carefully. The main goal is to build growing dividend income and long-term wealth by making smart decisions during changing market conditions. To begin, investors should focus on quality. During high interest rate periods, financially strong companies are usually better positioned to handle pressure. So, it is helpful to look for companies with strong balance sheets, consistent earnings, and a history of regular dividend payments. Next, dividend sustainability becomes very important. A high dividend yield may look attractive, but investors should check whether the company can actually afford to keep paying it. For example, a sustainable payout ratio, stable or growing free cash flow, and manageable debt levels can help support future dividend payments. After that, investors can take advantage of higher yields. When interest rates rise, some dividend stocks may fall in price, which can increase their dividend yield. This may allow long-term investors to buy quality dividend stocks at more attractive prices and reinvest dividends to collect more shares over time. At the same time, diversification is necessary to reduce risk. Instead of depending on one stock or one sector, investors can spread their portfolio across defensive stocks, dividend growth companies, utilities, infrastructure, healthcare, consumer staples, and other essential service businesses. In addition, keeping a cash reserve can provide flexibility. Cash or short-term bonds may help investors handle downturns, protect against emergencies, and take advantage of opportunities when strong dividend stocks become undervalued. Then, investors should think long-term. High interest rates are usually temporary, but the habit of investing consistently, reinvesting dividends, and staying disciplined can build stronger wealth over many years. For example, a sample portfolio allocation may include defensive stocks for stable dividends, quality dividend growth stocks for long-term growth, utilities and infrastructure for rate-resistant income, consumer staples for essential demand, and some cash or short-term bonds for safety and flexibility. Moreover, investors should review their portfolio regularly, look for undervalued high-quality dividend stocks, reinvest dividends consistently, increase contributions when possible, and balance income needs with growth goals. This strategy works because quality dividend stocks can withstand economic cycles, higher yields may improve income potential, reinvesting can boost compounding, and diversification can reduce portfolio volatility. So, in summary, high interest rates do not have to stop dividend wealth building. With quality stocks, sustainable dividends, smart diversification, a cash reserve, and a long-term mindset, investors can use today's market conditions to build a stronger dividend income future. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal. Always do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.